वीडियो देखें उसके बाद बात करते हैं.
Hey everybody, Tim Burchett, just leaving the Foreign Affairs Committee. Good job, Brad.
Thank you.
Appreciate you, brother. Brad Sherman, Democrat. Good questions. In the committee, I was Foreign Affairs. Former leader of Pakistan, Imran Khan, was a friend of America, and the Pakistani military has taken him out and imprisoned him. And now we're trying to find out what the hell's going on over there. And I'm sure our State Department will write a strong letter and do absolutely nothing. What we need is not military involvement, but at some point, if these folks are going to be detriment to us, we need to use our economic might. That's what a world power should do. We don't